In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use a thank you card to completely, like shockingly differentiate yourself and your business from everybody else. I feel like Zorro. Maybe I can do a, can I do like a West Side Wick, like, maybe. If you don't know me, this is your boy Wick. Wicked, 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 wicked. Shut up. And the reason I do these videos is because I want to see you win. I mean, just straight up, I want to see you make money. I want to see you succeed. I want you to unleash your inner beast and the bold beauty boss that you are. So when you do hit it big and people go, dang, girl, how are you so successful? Girl, how are you so successful? And you'd be like, I follow this fool named Work, and he just gave me the goods. He hooked it up, right? Woo. All right. So a thank you card is super simple, super easy. And how will it differentiate you and your business? Stop and think. First of all, when was the last time you received something in the mail other than Amazon or a product you ordered, right? That brought you joy. Most of the times, what is it? It's bills, it's a bunch of other coupons and advertisements and hoopla, junk mail, blah 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 blah, right? So if you haven't received a thank you card in a while, there you go. Imagine if you did, and if you did get a thank you card, how did it make you feel? We feel good. It's something different. It's something handwritten, right? And you open it, and it's something. It's like, ooh, bill, 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 bill. Ooh, thank you card. Okay. So one, it is like a default in my business to send things. It's like a default. It just goes out at the end of every single day. I put together a thank you card for all the people that did business with me or that I'm working with or whatever. And it's just critical. All right. So the question is, how do you write? What do you write? Right. Uh, First of all, a couple of things I do not do. I do not do. And the reason I don't do these things, which I see happening quite a bit, and again, it's a matter of opinion. I'm not saying there's a right way or wrong way. I can only share with you my way, right? You can share what works for you as well. But I do not say thank you for your business, right? I do not say, thank you for supporting small business, right? I see people say that quite a bit. For me, when I do a thank you card, I want to make it personal, right? There's a something, and I need to coin this. I really need to freaking trademark this. I call it hit the human. When I mean hit the human, I'm not talking Amber Heard. Sorry, I couldn't hold that one in. It's so bad, so unnecessary, Wick. So unnecessary. Why would I say that? Whatever. Yeah, that's what I get. Anyways, and when I mean hit the human, I mean like a lot of things that we do, we say it kind of it's just it's neutral. It's not affecting them emotionally. I want them to hit the heart, like it's like hit the heart, right? Call it hit the maybe I should call it hit the heart. I don't know. But anyways, I want them to feel it emotionally inside. So my it's a sandwich technique I use to write thank you cards. I like to use frameworks. I like to use structures or outlines because that's how I learn. And if and that way I don't have to think about what I'm going to write every single time. I just know there's a framework. It's going to be a three-part framework: the opening, the middle, and the end. Right. So intro, meat, conclusion, like a sandwich. And the first of all is, Sarah, thank you so much. You have no idea how much I appreciate you. So first of all, start off with the thank you. You know, don't you don't have to say thank you. I appreciate you for your business. You can just say I appreciate you. Right, Sarah, thank you so much. You have no idea how much I appreciate you. Right? I start with something of that sort, right? Leave the business out of it. So that's the intro. Part two is personal, right? Because I want to make it personal. I don't want to say, thanks, Sarah, thank you for your business, blah, 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 sign your name, squiggly, squiggly, blah, right? No. So you start off with that. For Sarah, thank you so much, da, 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 da. After that, what I do is I make it something personal, like a conversation piece or something that they talked about, and or something that makes it intimate. It would be something like, I remember when you made me laugh when you came in and you told me that story or that joke or this or that about that. To this day, I laugh and I think of you. You see how that's something personal? And it could be anything, like it could be personal like that, or it could be like, I am so proud of you for being consistent with all your skincare, uh, AM, PM skincare routines, and how you are just so committed to yourself. I am just so proud of you. You see how that's something personal? So it's something personal you talked about. Something like go Sarah. I remember. I hope like maybe they talked about their dog if they had a dog, Tommy, right? Go. I remember you telling me about Tommy, and to this day I laugh and crack up when blah blah. So whatever, something personal, a conversation, something they said, something about them, right? Again, nothing about you. Leave yourself the f out of it, right? This is all about your client, right? So you start off with the beginning, the intro. The second part, you make it something personal like that. And the last part, I appreciate you more than I can ever express. I appreciate all that you do. You rock. You're amazing. Thank you so much. And then your name, right? So you start with a thank you, something personal. You end with that little bit of thank you, and then you always handwrite it. Don't try to get fancy. I know some of you are like, well, should I do technology? Should I make a label? No, hand write the envelopes. How many are you going to do? How many clients can you see in a day, right? If you say, wait, I got 10 clients, 20 clients, first of all, congratulations, because that's amazing. Second of all, if you have 10, 20 clients at the end of the day, this is what I recommend you do. At the end of the day, you sit down with that client list and you just write it out. And as you write it, it's weird. Maybe I'm too wushu, and I've seen The Secret like too many times. But as I'm writing, I'm putting my energy, I'm putting my love, I'm putting my good thoughts into it. This piece of paper, this card, as I'm doing it, right? So it's like, I'm Sarah, like I'm literally thinking about Sarah. I'm like, man, I'm so grateful to have this person as my client. I'm just so grateful, right? And as I pour it, does that do anything? Does it not doing? I don't know, but I'll tell you one thing: it doesn't hurt. And if I am putting some of my feelings and emotions and love into this card, and it makes a difference, it gives it an additional level of vibration, like right? I don't know. Maybe you do. Then power to me. But I have nothing to lose with it. I'll feel good and I'll send some good vibes with it. And then hand write the envelope. Don't be fancy and try to be like, I'm trying to be professional. No one gives a crap about professional. It's about being personable. Don't worry about I'm professional. It's like no. I want a handwritten envelope because that will stick out more than a label any day of the week. Just saying, right? So don't try to be fancy. Fancy fails. Fancy fails. Right? Keep it simple. So that's it, right? That's my thank you formula. It's super simple. You start with a thank you, Sarah. Thank you so much. You have no idea how much I appreciate you, right? I just appreciate you so much. And then you share something personable, whether it's about them, their daughter, their son, their family, their dog, a story she shared, how proud you are of her results, a joke she shared, or something of that sort. And you just go, you know what? I was just thinking about that joke you told me that everyone loves what's nowadays, these dad jokes, right? And to this day, I think of that joke and I just crack up and I think of you. So thank you so much for sharing that with me. You are amazing. Can't wait to see you again. If there's anything I can do for you, please do not hesitate to contact me. You rock my socks. Love you forever, 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 ever. Yeah, Miss Jackson. Right. So hopefully this is of value to you. Use this formula. Super duper easy. Super simple. I use this every single time I send a card. I start with that. I make it personal, and I end with that, and then mwah, send it away with a kissy kissy. Yeah, easy, easy. I'm Italian. Could be Indian Italian. Why not? All right, y'all. Be amazing because it pays so well. Do this because you will differentiate yourself. Thank you cards are dirt cheap to do, and they will be so memorable to your clients. And this is, and you can get as creative as you want with it. Cool beans. Peace.